Thank you very much for learning grammar with NICALINGUE. I'm teacher Nestor, and in today's class, we will talk about plural nouns and other spellings. Let's get started. The following nouns, they are very particular because they're endings. Take a look at the following endings: ch, x, sh, and ss. When you have this kind of nouns and you need to make them plural, the only thing you need to do is to add the letter E and the letter S. Let's see the example. 1 match, 1 box, 1 brush, 1 glass. Plural will be 2 matches. That's the pronunciation. 2 matches. We have 1 box. We have noun 2 boxes. That's right. 2 boxes. We have 1 brush. We have noun 2 brushes. And last but not least, we have 1 glass, and now we have 2 glasses. 2 glasses. Something else that I want to add is the following. When you have a noun that ends in letter Y, it changes everything. The only thing you need to do to make them plural is to take away the letter Y, and instead, using the letter Y, you add the letter I, and at the end, ES. Let's take a look at the following example. 1 baby. But now we have 2 babies. One more time. We take away the letter Y, we add the letter I, and also ES. 1 baby, 2 babies. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.